right now. I'm just going to introduce him. He's going to introduce himself, a little bit about what we're doing today, and we'll get started.
Very nice. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hey, my name is Mr. Lassos. Well, we're going to focus on Greece. What can you tell me about Greece? The country Greece, not the movie. Right? Oh, the movie Greece, when they're singing and dancing, rock and roll. The country of Greece. What do you know about Greece? Anything? Very good.
The government is democracy.
Very good. I love it. I love it. And you know what democracy means?
The people who vote for a certain president, and they all have to agree on one decision.
Very nice. Did you hear that? That's right. Representative government that the people choose. That's democracy. That idea comes back to ancient Greece a long, long time ago. What else can you tell me about Greece?
Lots of palm trees.
Palm trees, yeah, very much like Los Angeles. The weather is very similar. Palm trees, beaches.
The buildings are white.
Yes, you're thinking of, I think it's Santorini, the white buildings. So that idea of democracy, very important. It comes back to the ancient Greeks. The Olympic Games goes back to ancient Greece, where the best athletes would get together and compete in positive competition. Greece, also famous for mythology. Do you know any Greek myth figures?
From Odysseus and the Iliad.
Very nice, Odysseus. Yes.
See,
Gods.
you expect Zeus, you expect gods and stuff, but you get Odysseus, it's like
Very
somebody
nice.
has been reading.
The Odyssey, right? Odysseus.
Perseus and Medusa.
Perseus and Medusa, yes. Medusa, instead of hair, snakes on her head. What happened when you looked at Medusa? You turned to stone. Yes, that's mythology. Also, and who's this?
Pegasus.
Pegasus, the winged horse. Yes, Greek philosophy. Very deep thinkers. People who think about why are we here? Why do we exist? Why is the world the way it is? Those are philosophers. And there were amazing philosophers in ancient Greece. And we'll talk about some. Here's a philosopher, a mathematician. You will hear his name in math. Eratosthenes. Say that. Eratosthenes. In 200 BC, he proved the world was round. He proved it. Without a doubt. He proved it. And how come in 1492, there was this guy who wanted to sail west, and they were afraid they were going to fall off the edge of the earth? Who was that guy?
Lewis and Clark.
Well, that's a little later.
Yeah.
Who was the guy who set sail west to Columbus? You have a worksheet that shows you what you're going to do. You have a brief description of some Arapaho mythological figures, and you have a brief description of some Greek mythological figures. And what you're going to do is you're going to look at these, and you're going to see on the folder, this one says, you are going to compare and contrast Hichaba, Lihankan to Zeus by looking at what's in this folder. Okay? And completing the chart. Mr. G, great question.
Yes,
Can we use Venn diagrams?
absolutely you can use Venn diagrams. We've been working on that. You guys can use what you'd like.
Love it. Okay, my favorite puppets. Thank you.
What?
That card. We've got about 10 minutes.
That's about done. So I'll stop there.
I got my shoes tomorrow.
I'm getting mine. I don't know what mine.
I was born. You order it. Right now, you get them on probably next Wednesday. Alright.
Alright, who you comparing and contrasting?
This one.
One guy that was
Lodge Boy and Spring Boy to Apollo and Artemis. Very cool.
Well, we
Okay, you guys find them?
What can you find out about
all
it?
the comparing
How they like it, how
So,
they-
compare and contrast. Do you remember how,
How to do a Venn diagram.
remember when we've done the Venn diagrams?
teach
Two
the
circles?
boss.
We're doing something very similar to that. So if we look at this right here, it's going to ask you to find feats and characteristics, or facts, characteristics, like facial stuff, like how they look, how they compare and contrast, like how are they similar, how are they different, image of characters, and you guys get to make your own. Okay, so, any questions on that? Alright, going on.
Comparing to a rock.
Hey guys, if I get your attention on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Devonna asked if there's not enough room on the worksheet you were handed out, if you can write on a separate sheet of paper. You may go ahead and write on a separate sheet of paper, that's fine. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we need everybody's attention back up here. We're going to move on to something else. So everybody, eyes back on our desk.
Okay, can I have attention up here, please? Looking up here. And I love what Mr. G said. Imperfections. And what I noticed was I have one page missing. So some of you were looking for Lodge Boy and you couldn't find him on the sheet, right?
Yeah.
I will get that sheet to you today. Okay? There was one sheet missing. And there was a couple of other, yes, that's right. What's her name? Splinterfoot Girl, right. You need that story so you can match her to Athena. Very good. Well, yes, Athena. Very powerful god. Did you read that one day her father Zeus had a splitting headache? And what popped out? Athena. Athena was born out of the head of Zeus. So, she represents wisdom. She is the goddess of wisdom, of wise thinking people. So you'll find out interesting things like that.
Made a picnic.
Tell me 3 adjectives or words that describe how you felt about doing this activity. Think of 3 words. You can talk to your partner. What are 3 words?
What are 3 words?
How did you feel about this?
Relaxing. How do you feel about
Nice. I'm hearing
This
it?
3 adjectives. All right. Let me hear some sharing.
Cool, awesome, and fun.
Cool, awesome, fun. Other words. What? Fun, exciting, cool.
funny.
What else?
Just funny.
What else? Any others? I want to give you a chance.
Awesome, weird, and excellent.
Ah, nice. Thank you. All right. Now, can you think of 2 words that apply to Greece? Maybe what's something that you learned about Greece or Greek characters? 2 words. 2 words.
Strange.
Strange? In many ways, yes. They're different from human, many of them. Strange. Crazy? Yeah, different. What?
Awesome.
Smart. Intelligent. Athena being the goddess of wisdom. You also have some evil characters in Greek mythology.
Hades.
Hades, you know those. Very good. Last thing before we wrap up. What is one thing you hope to learn about Greece, or about the Arapaho? What's one thing that you would like to find out more about them?
Everything.
Everything? Big
Lofty goal.
Lofty goal. What's something you would like to find out?
If they can change colors.
Can they change colors?
Can they go visible?
Can they become invisible? I like
They
it.
know how to hunt as good as us.
Do they hunt?
On the team.
And are they good hunters? Yes, some are.
Fight them.
Do they fight? How do they battle?
You can do it now.
Very nice. All right. Can I have all eyes on me, please? And it's a pleasure to meet you. I look forward to working with you more in the future. I hope that you enjoy this unit as you move forward. But for right now, I think it's time to get ready for the next class. So Mr. G will take over from here.